Good afternoon. First up, there's been another night of intense rainfall across North Queensland as ex-tropical cyclone Koji moves through. Emergency services have had to free 3 people as the town of Clermont, west of Rockhampton, recorded its biggest flood in more than a century. For more, Christina Pooljak joins us live. Christina, there was another 200 millimetres of rain yesterday.
That's right, Jen, and sadly there could be another 50 to 100 mils again today. The amount of rain that's fallen was enough to break major records for central Queensland, as the last flood that came near this size in Clermont was in 1916. It has shut many major roads, including Marlborough Road, the Bruce Highway and the Gregory Highway. This means Clermont is almost completely cut off. Emergency services conducted 3 rescues last night for residents stuck in flood waters. 2 of them involved people stranded on top of their cars as water quickly rose on the roads. Swift water rescue crews were called to both of these jobs in the middle of the night. One family were rushing to get their belongings to higher ground yesterday afternoon when they were urged to evacuate by a family member. The Lawrence family were then taken 10 kilometres away with a chopper after their home quickly went underwater. Today they're hoping their horses and other livestock are safe. Tang Yu spoke to them earlier today, and here's what they had to say.
My son said to me, "Look, it's coming, Dad," and within 1 hour we had 1.5 metres of water, where we normally only have in a big flood, a foot of water.
It's understood the Queensland Premier will touch down in the town later today to assess the damage and help facilitate the big clean-up.
OK, thanks, Christina.